Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to visit your honey garden even after the Bizzy Bee event has ended in Grow a Garden. So first, just go to your main garden like this and look for the wooden board on here or wooden mailbox on here, and then just tap on it, and then in here just simply tap on load at the BCB part on here. Just tap on load, and just like that you will automatically be teleported back to your honey garden like this. You can see it. So even though the BCB event is officially over, several features are still available inside this honey garden. You can still buy bee egg on here, and then get the honey coins on here, and then get the royal seeds. Even you can still join the Wasp dungeon on here, Wasp dungeon barrel. You can still join the BCB activities on here. So that's how you can back to your honey garden after the BCB event ended in Grow a Garden. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.